everybody, welcome to my video today. Welcome to Memory Keeping Friday. This is typically where I share with you guys some sort of memory keeping, and today I wanted to share with you guys my title page for 2018. My photos are not in here yet, but you'll get the basic layout, and I want to tell you guys what I'm doing. And then I'm also going to show you February, how I have my foundation pages set up. So let's get started. You guys, I am in my normal family album. This is the aqua colored album. I get my albums at scrapbook.com. And currently I'm right in the middle of my Project Life class. This is my Getting Started with Project Life, and we're going over all of these items. So if you're in that class, you've probably seen some of these items. It is not too late to sign up for that class. The information is down below or over in my blog post. You can check that out. So here is the title page. I took a design U and I just sliced a part of that off so that I have all of these little pockets, and then I have a smaller page protector to start. Now, if I wasn't doing a photographs of my home on the second page, I would just leave this as my title page and there would be nothing else. I would just then jump into 2018 to January. But I'm doing a couple different things this year. So the first thing I did is I have used the Petal Passion designer paper from Stampin' Up. I love this black and white designer paper. It's so beautiful. I've used it for several different things. And then I had these great big numbers right here. They are a really thick, it's not vellum, it's thicker than vellum, but it's like a plastic, but it's not a very thick plastic. So what I did is these were white actually, so I just did black embossing over the top of them, and they warped a little tiny bit. My zero right here warped quite a bit because I was having some issues doing the front and the back, but it's okay. They're just slipped in the pockets. There's nothing holding them down. So it says 2018. This is a card from the Memories and More card set. Now, we used this card set on Monday, so I'll stick a card up here if you want to click on that and check out this product. It ended up working perfect. So I have the story card. This is a card from another core kit. I just have the ages of all of us and then our names. And then I also put a little detail in here about each of the kids. So I put Kayla Faith, she's 10. She's getting so tall and beautiful. Violet is 8. She's so smart and is trying so hard. And then Andrew is 6 and he's becoming very independent. So I just wanted a couple real quick details of our family. And then there's this card here, which it says from where I stand, and it has a little geotag. I may still add some journaling or something here, I'm not sure. So when you turn this over, what will be on this side is there'll be a picture of my husband, and then a picture of me, and then there'll be a picture of all of our kids. There'll be Kayla, Violet, and Andrew. So there'll be photos right here. I just haven't taken those photos yet. And then on this other side, I've added some designer paper in here. This is just a design A, and it goes right into my January. And then I've taken another Project Life card from a different core kit, and then this little heart embellishment I have. I've placed that there. And then this says, celebrate the past, welcome the future. It's from another, some other Project Life product I had. So you can see that I've just really dug in and used a lot of the things I had on hand and paired it with this really beautiful designer paper. And so what I'm going to do here is there'll be pictures of the outside of our house. And then I may do our address here, or maybe here, something like that. I might do some journaling or take a picture of our street, the name of our street kind of thing. I just thought I would do something creative there with the outside of our house. So then we dive into January, and this is not, I don't want to talk about January, I already did that, but I want to talk about February. So for February, I have used the Petals Passion designer paper, and then I've also used the Memories and More card set that coordinate with that line of products. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here, and I'm going to move my album around just so you can see how I've set up my foundation pages. I have some sticky notes here just showing me which dates that I'm working with, and then this is a week 5 card. So I have some designer paper and then some cards in here, and they just go really beautiful together. They coordinate with black, gray, and then this is a powder pink that it coordinates with. I have my February calendar, and then when you turn here, I have more of the Project Life cards here. Now this won't be here, this will be an actual photo, but you can see that I have the Project Life cards here, and I'm layering things together. All of this will be glued down. You know, I'll use adhesive and put the things down that I'm layering together. But I just wanted to show you how pretty this looks with that designer paper. This is the back of my calendar, so I just used that designer paper and put some in the back of my calendar. And then on this side, these are all Project Life cards. And then this is that designer paper that coordinates. And then you turn the page. So I have a Project Life card up here for my title page. And then this is Project Life cards here with designer paper. And then on this side, I have my week 7 card, designer paper, and then some Project Life cards. One thing that I'm really loving doing this year is having these bold black cards throughout my album, and I plan to do that. I've done that all the way through April, and because I've set my foundation pages up all the way through April. And so here's more Project Life cards than this card right here, which is this bold black card. And then again, I have Project Life cards all the way through here and my week 8. So then that goes into March, which I'm not going to show you March right now, but I've used a core kit to set up all of March. And then I was just going to flip back here and show you that in January, you can see that I'm using those big, dark, black Project Life cards. I'm really loving them. So there was this one that I used. I have some inserts into my January. Here's another big black card right here. I'm just loving how bold that looks and what it kind of brings to this Project Life spread. Here's another one. And it's just something that I am loving, and so I'm going with. So what I did is I pulled out I went through all of my Project Life cards, and any cards that were solid black like this with something in it, I pulled it out. And I just have a little stack in front of me, so when I'm working on my Project Life pages, I can pull from those. So anyways, you guys, that is how February is looking in my Project Life album. There will be photos over on my website, and there will be information for my class over there as well. So if you're interested in seeing more and hearing me talk more about Project Life, you can do that within that class and that membership group. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll be back on Monday with a fun project for you guys, and I'll be there to hang out with you guys a little bit more. So I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.